What up, guys? You've been watching Chef Dom. Today is day 19 of my car camper build. I already got the fire going and we're ready to start making this whole kitchen piece, and hopefully it turns out. That's all we can hope for. So look right there. We got that piece that's been like clamped overnight, and I'm gonna like nail gun that in, and then I gotta figure out how to put the piece on the other side because it's too fat for the C-clamp because I put a support under the bottom. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but here, cheers to figuring that out as we go. Hi, Trixie. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. You coming to help? I'm gonna do this. Hey, that silly girl. Who? That silly girl. What's she even doing? Huh? Alright, now, how am I gonna do this? What's the most logical way to do this next step? Oh, Lord. Save me. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's see how this one's gonna work. Oh, Lord. God, this is hard. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a straight edge somewhere to line that line. And I guess I'm just gonna like tack nails in from the bottom. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out as I go. Okay, here we go. So I got the other side tacked down and it looks good. My issue with this side is that since I put that little bar right there, the C-clamp didn't fit, and so I couldn't figure out how I was gonna tack it down, and so finally I just balanced it on itself, and so now I'm using the nail gun to kind of like poop, 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 go along the edge, and hopefully some of these nails will tack it. That way once I flip it over I have like some kind of structure. I'm hoping. That's what I'm going for. Oh, Lord. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see how this works. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh my God, please stick, please stick, please stick. Oh shit, it stayed! Yeah! Oh yes, it stayed! Hallelujah! Fuck yeah! Let's see. Oh man, and we only shot through the wood in one spot. That's amazing! Oh! Oh shit! Okay. Okay. Damn. All right, we're gonna have to stop there for the night. And what an exciting moment. I had no idea how I was gonna secure that side down. Oh, what a relief, guys. What a relief. All right, that is it. I am out for the day. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Love you guys. Bye. This is day 20 of my car camper build. I'm really excited for what I'm doing today, even though I still have no idea what I'm doing. I'm still super stoked. So I have this piece right here that I made yesterday, and this is the start of my kitchen. And so today I disassembled one of my house dressers to get these rails off, and so I'm gonna make a slide out for my camper stove. That's what I'm gonna be working on right now. And yeah, I still have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a blast with it and I'm learning a lot as I go. So let's see what day 20 brings us. Hopefully I can get that little pull out going. So let's that's it for now. Let's see how we progress throughout the day. Okay, so I cut out this piece for my little drawer right here. Let's see. So this is gonna go in right here. And then it's gonna slide out right here, and that's where I'm gonna put my camping stove. So I have to figure out how to attach the hinges, which is kind of scary. The first thing that I'm gonna do is sand down these edges though, because since it's particle board, I have like a lot of little splinters. So I think I'm just gonna sand down the edge first, and then I think we'll take it from there. Now we're gonna, we're just gonna attach these little hinges. Oh, now we're just gonna attach these little hinges to this guy. I don't know if I should put him in the front or the back. I'm kind of confused. Maybe I should put him halfway. No, because then the drawer won't shut all the way, huh? I'm gonna have to put it in the back. Oh Lord, I don't know. Let me figure this out. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! Okay, so I'm trying to figure out the dynamics of this drawer. So I have these pieces on. Hi. Hi. I have these pieces on, and so the drawer is gonna come like this out, but I need to figure out the dynamics of this part of the hinge. And so I just looked at the dresser that I took it off of, and it looks like the wheel is in the bottom on the front. So what I have to figure out is how to put it so that this extends out the furthest. I think I would have to put it at the edge so that it comes out further. I'm not really sure. See this part right here? Like I think I'm gonna have to put this to the edge so that it'll come out further. I probably should be using longer hinges, but I can't afford them, so I just tore apart my dresser from inside my bedroom, and hopefully it'll work as a temporary fix, but I know for sure I'm gonna have to get longer rails eventually. Okay, I'm so nervous. I'm getting ready. I put the rails in on the side, you see them? And now I'm getting ready to slide this guy in and see if he works. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. You guys, please cross your fingers for me. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Oh, please fit. I don't know if this is supposed to go on top or on bottom. Okay. Oh, is that it? No. Damn, what? Damn. Oh, shit, it's stuck. Okay, this may not fit. Oh, shit, but I'm stuck. Damn. What do I do? I'm stuck. Oh, shit. Well, let's think. Okay. We're gonna do this. That. Okay, so now I'm gonna come here and that might be better. Let's see, who knows? Okay, and then this. Can you come over here? What if this is better? Oh man, I'm still stuck, guys. I'm stuck in there. Now I'm stuck. Fuck, what do I do? Did I put it backwards? It slides the wrong way. Oh, fuck. Dude. It slides the wrong way. Look. Oh. What did I do to myself? Oh, man. Fuck. Let me fix this. I'll be back. And now we bring you Ghost Stories with Dom. Are you afraid of the dark? Just kidding. Look, okay, this is the best I can do with lighting right now. Because I'm about to wrap up. But, so look, this is where I'm at right now. I put the... I'm gonna try to put the hinges to the back instead of to the front and see how that works. So that's my best option right now. I think I just put this part in backwards. So before I had to like unscrew everything, I'm gonna try to put the hinges in the right way. And let's see. You guys are the first to see this. Oh God. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, why are we stuck? We're stuck right there. What if I open this a little bit? I'm just gonna try to bend it up a little bit and see if it works before I have to unscrew everything again. Because it's just like a tad bit off. So let's see. Okay, let's test. Okay, coming in. Oh, no, he's still a little tight. Oh, yes! Yes, look! Ah! Yes! Oh my God, yes! Look, okay, sweet. And then so I'm gonna put a hinge right here and fold this in. That way, boom, when this is gonna go like that. And then I can pull this out and then put my little foldy thing out. Oh my God, yes! Ha! I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. It works. Okay, all right. Yeah. Yes, okay. Mission accomplished for the night. I am not afraid of the dark. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.